Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake water reflection on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video here and I want the reflection to be different from the reflection that they actually have. And I for instance want a reflection of the city instead or something else. I'm just going to select this for the reflection. I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm then also going to put it kind of down. Go to mask and select horizontal, and you're just going to go to the part where the ends meet and you're just going to feather that out. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more to make it even more like realistic, I guess. And then I'm just going to go to basic blend mode, and you're also going to adjust the opacity a little bit. And that should be it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!